Hi everybody, so tonight is the night that I'm going to be doing the pottery competition. So if you're new to my channel, I got invited by a local gallery to participate in a pottery throwdown. So it's kind of like the Great British Throwdown show, but it's just kind of a local thing that we're doing to help raise money for this particular gallery. And I'm going to be competing against some other potters, and we are going to be, just trying different challenges. I'm not sure who I'm competing against or what I'm going to be doing, but yeah, it'll be fun. I'm hoping to get footage. I have my husband coming with me, and he's going to be my cameraman, so I'm hoping I can at least get footage of me and some of the other competitors, and even if I get knocked out in the first round, at least I tried, right? So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. That's tonight. We're going to be heading over there. And there's actually a lot of potters I haven't met yet. There's going to be some from Idaho, some from Oregon, and of course some from my neck of the woods. And we're all headed over there to do some pottery competing, and I'm excited. Well, we'll see how this goes.
And we've got 3 minutes left.
wire the head off, will it?
Yeah.
Is it still getting out the bottom? You I saw him checking the deck. Did everybody know what he was doing?
I'd say it's a bowl.
Yeah. The widest platter bowl.
Bowl.
We're ready for the next challenge. You two are both activating with your wheels. No, sorry, I was scared. So we have another backwards spinning challenge. you're not allowed to touch it yet. No pulling it apart yet. So,